In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok on mobile. Whether you're on Android or iOS, the process is quick, and by the end, you'll be confidently chatting, speaking, and sharing files with the AI right from your phone. Start by installing the Grok AI chat and video app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Search for the official app and double check the icon and developer details so you know you're getting the genuine one. After it installs, open it and grant any essential permissions the app requests, like microphone or camera if you plan to use voice or uploads. You can always adjust non-essential notifications later in your settings. On the sign-in screen, choose the method that works best for you, your X account, your Google account, or your email address. Pick the one you're most likely to keep using so your chat history stays in one place. If you're signing in with email, complete any verification steps the app prompts and make sure you're on a reliable network for a smooth first login. Once you're in, tap New Chat to start a fresh conversation. This opens a clean thread, which helps keep topics organized. If you come back later, your existing chats are saved so you can continue where you left off or create another new thread to separate different projects. Type your question or prompt in the text box at the bottom. The more specific you are, the better the results. Include details like your goal, constraints, or examples. You can also ask follow-up questions right in the same thread to refine the answer. If you're unsure how to start, try a clear instruction such as summarize this topic for a beginner or draft a short message in a friendly tone. If you prefer to speak, tap the microphone icon to dictate your prompt or switch into voice mode. Allow microphone access if asked. Speak clearly, add brief pauses, and feel free to say punctuation like comma or period if you want precise transcripts. You can review or edit the text before sending. To share visuals or documents, tap the attachment icon and upload images or files for the AI to analyze. This is helpful for reading diagrams, summarizing PDFs, or extracting data from screenshots. Add a quick note about what you need, like highlight key points or identify issues in this photo so the AI knows what to focus on. Finally, explore the Imagine tab for AI image and video generation. Describe the scene, style, and mood you want, and include any important details such as colors or composition. Iterate by refining your prompt until you get exactly what you're looking for. That's it. Install, sign in, start a chat, type or speak your request, attach files when needed, and create visuals with Imagine. Enjoy using Grok on mobile.